And see children, I have always told you to keep the mobile like this, okay, and not like this. See if you can see like this. If you keep, see how the screen looks. But the same mobile, if you keep it like this, wait, it will come. See now. So you always get a better view. So always keep it horizontal. Write true or false. Give reasons for your answers. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. True or false?
True.
Center to any point on the circle is a radius. Reason? They have asked you the reasons also. Who will tell me the reason? What is the reason? Why it is true? Say
The
na.
definition itself is.
So that is the definition. That's what you should be able to say. Don't say, sir, true ka reason kaun पूछता है? If it is false, then you ask us for the reason. Why are you asking the reason for true? Don't say like that. We should be able to prove it. If true, why true? If false, see, we are mathematicians. We are not any, general common people speaking anything in air. We never speak anything in air. We have a proof for each and everything because we are mathematicians. So if true, why true? If false, why false? Always, always. Whether it is asked or not asked, you should have this habit. So true because according to the definition of radius, radius is the equal distance of every point on the circle of between one here. Radius is radius is equal distance between every point on the circle and the center of the circle. So what they have said is true. What have they said? What is they are saying? They are saying that distance between any point on the circle or line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius. So true. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. True or false?
False.
Why? Why false?
There can be infinite number of chords.
Equal chords की बात चल रही है. They are speaking about equal chords, but equal chords can also be infinite. Why? Because the simple reason would be circle always got infinitely many diameters, and all the diameters are going to be equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So number 3, false, because a circle can have infinitely many equal chords. Example, diameters of the circle. And only diameter are only the diameters the equal chords? No.
No.
Apart from diameters also we can have equal chords. See, if I really want to give you an example, suppose this is a circle. Say this chord AB is like this. I could have one more chord of the same length over here. Also, it could be same length over here. Same length from this point. Same length from this point. From this point, it could be something like this. All these chords could be of equal length. So we can have infinitely many. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next question. If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. Suppose if I have a circle and I'm dividing it into 3 equal, this is 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. All 3 could be a major arc.
No.
No.
Then what do you think? What it could be the case?
They all will be minor arcs.
Why? Why they can't be major arcs?
Because they are less than centimeter.
Exact. See, because a circle, this are the two semicircles. If I have even one major arc, suppose this AB and here is a point C. Just as we discussed earlier, if this ABC becomes a major arc, the remaining part will obviously remain a minor arc. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means at a time a circle can't even have two major arcs. Minor arcs it will have infinitely many. See all these. Can you see all this? Suppose I name this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, A, I, B, A, C, C, E, D, F. Likewise, many minor arcs I can have, but I cannot have major arcs. Only and only one major arc it can have. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we will never have even two major arcs. Very far away is the question of three major arcs. So I'm going to write all the reasons correctly. Not for anybody else, for my own self. So let me write false over here. Because if a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, then each one would be a minor arc. Moreover, now this word moreover means what? फिर भी हम लोग बोलते ना फिर भी उसके आगे जाके ह्याच्या पुढे जाऊन जर का मला काय सांगायचं असेल सो वी यूज मोरओव्हर ह्याच्याही पेक्षा जास्त महत्वाचं दॅट इज मोरओव्हर a circle will have maximum one major arc at a time. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Just see here. Okay, wait. We will take a screen over here only in our case. See. Suppose if I draw this as a circle. A, C, B, D, E, F. Now see. ADB is a major arc. ACB is a major arc. AEB is also a major arc and all are equal. ADB or ACB or AEB all are equal. Apart from these three, ACF I can see as a major arc again. I can also see AEF, ADF or ABF. But when I consider ADB, the remaining arc would only be AB. AEB plus AB will complete my circle. And with ABF or ACF or AEF, the remaining arc would only be AF. All these arcs are one and the same. ACF ले लो, ADF पकड़ो, AEF पकड़ो, ABF पकड़ो, all are the same arc. And along with this major arc, I have only one minor arc. Likewise, there are so many major arcs. See, ACB is also one major arc and ACF is also one major, but they don't exist at a time. Either ACB will be existing or ACF will be existing. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Children, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
I don't feel that you all are understanding, not answering to my things. Fine. Your choice. Number 5. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle.
True.
True. Why it is true? Why is the chord twice as long as radius becomes the diameter?
Because it will pass through the center of the circle.
Exactly, because if it is twice the radius, then it would pass through the center and they will form the opposite rays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, true. The reason is true because the chord which is twice as long as the radius will pass through the center of the circle and hence will be called as diameter. Number 6. Sector is a region between the chord and its corresponding arc. True or false? Sector is a region between chord and arc.
True.
False.
False.
Here only evidence. Segment is a region between arc and chord. Yes or no? Between arc and chord there is a segment. And sector is what? Between arc and the radii. That would be the sector. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then, so this was actually 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5. 5 is false because segment is the region between the, what they are speaking, region between what? Chord and its corresponding arc. While, now right, for the sector also, you should know this. Sector is the region between the arc and the radii drawn from the endpoints of the arc. Segment is the region between chord and arc, but sector is not between chord and arc. Sector is between arc and radii. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. A circle is a plane figure. True or false?
True.
Why? Why is it a plane figure? Acha, which figure is called as a plane figure? Yeah, tell, you're right.
Which can be drawn on a plane.
Very good, which can be drawn on a plane, because circle is a figure which can be drawn on any given plane. Yes or no? Circle is a plane figure. Why? Because it can be drawn on any given plane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Yeah, we will just write one small point what we had discussed yesterday, and then we will stop for the day. Till here everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Write a new heading with a new star mark. Angle subtended by a chord. This is what we already discussed yesterday. Just write it down. Angle subtended by a chord. So what is the angle subtended by a chord? The angle made by drawing lines from the end points of a chord is called as the angle subtended by the chord at a point where the lines meet. This is a symbol of angle. Angle ACB is the angle subtended by chord AB at a point C on the circle. Angle AOB is the angle subtended by the chord AB at the center O of the circle, and show it. Show that ACB is angle subtended by the chord suppose this was O, then show angle AOB subtended at the center.
बनेल का काय झालं नाही रेंज
Rajlakshmi, just name it A, C, B, and AOB. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. We'll stop over here for the day. That is the angle. And tomorrow we'll see the properties of these angle subtended. What happens, which angle is subtended where, what are the properties of these subtended angles. Subtended means made angles. Finish writing, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that's all for the day. We'll stop over here. Tomorrow we will continue with the discussion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.